A2 Hosting is one of the most reliable web hosting providers available and one of the oldest providers around. Well, in this A2 Hosting review, I'm going to show everything that you need to know about A2 Hosting to decide if they're the right hosting provider for you. I'm going to provide you value with the most important results from our live tests, like their page load speed, uptime, customer support quality, and A2 Hosting usage. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make an A2 Hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the description link and get yourself a discount if one's available. So, first, let's talk about A2 Hosting pricing and plans. I'll be comparing their shared hosting plan, as it's the most famous and best choice for beginners, although A2 Hosting also has other types of hosting like VPS and dedicated hosting. So here, you can see A2 Hosting provides 4 plans: Startup, Drive, Turbo Boost, and Turbo Max. The price of their startup plan is only $2.99 per month. And with this plan you can create only one website, you'll get 100 GB SSD storage, free site migration, and also a 30 days money-back guarantee. So if you're a beginner and looking to create just one website, then you can choose their startup plan. But if you want to create multiple websites, then I recommend you to choose their Turbo Boost plan, because in this plan they offer up to 20x faster speed. So it is better to choose this plan instead of the Drive plan. Now, on this page, you can create a domain name for your site. You can also create a temporary domain name from A2 Hosting which is free and end with a2hosted.com. So you can choose the best domain name later. And for the billing period, I recommend you to choose the 36 months for the best discount, as they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can choose and use their best plan for risk-free. You can choose the data center from the US, Europe, and Asia as well. And then finally simply fill out all the details. And you can pay with a card, PayPal, Skrill, bank transfer, and using check or money order. Now let's talk about A2 Hosting ease of use. So after login, you can see it looks very easy to navigate. Everything you need to manage your website can easily be accessed by clicking on the cPanel login button. And if you have used cPanel before, all of the options here should be very familiar to you, as A2 Hosting uses the industry standard default setup. To install an SSL certificate, come down to the SSL section and click on the SSL status. Choose your domain name, select all and run Auto SSL. And this is really easy to activate free SSL. To create a free email account, go back, come down to the email section and click on email accounts. Then, just click on create button and create your username. So installing WordPress, SSL, and creating a free email account is easy enough using A2 Hosting. Now let's talk about A2 Hosting speed and performance. So after installing and fully optimizing our WordPress site, we also going to configure some basic settings on the A2 Optimize plugin and install Cloudflare. Then we went ahead and tested out the speed of our website using GT metrics. And the result is 1.8 seconds. So they easily pass the Google recommended page load speed of 3 seconds. Now we have also been monitoring the stability performance of A2 Hosting with Uptime Robot, and can report that their uptime for the last 30 days is 99.988%. So their speed and performance are great, just a minor deduction on not having 100% perfect uptime. But overall on this pricing, they provide such a great speed on the shared hosting. Now let's talk about A2 Hosting customer supports. A2 Hosting's crew customer service team is highly rated. You can also contact them via email or phone call if you prefer that over live chat. And they are available 24/7 to help you out with regards to their response time. You can also contact them via email or phone call if you prefer that over live chat. And they are available 24/7 to help you out with regards to their response time. We contacted him at these 3 different times of the day, to make sure we get an overall average and not just a bias fast response time during their off-peak hours. And the average response time comes out to be around 3 minutes wait, which is not bad at all. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of A2 Hosting. So first, they have an easy-to-use dashboard with cPanel. They have the fastest page load speed of just 1.8 seconds. They have great uptime performance. Their support response time is fast 3 minutes on average. They have NVMe storage with an affordable hosting plan. They have 4 data centers. And also the 30 days money-back guarantee, so if you didn't satisfied with their hosting, then you will get the full refund if request within the 30 days of purchase. Now let's talk about of cons. According to they only have 2 cons. The first con is that their Turbo Max plan is expensive. And the last con is their cPanel interface is not beginner friendly. Now let's talk about who should choose A2 hosting. So overall, A2 hosting is one of the best shared hosting providers we have tested. They have great speeds, the price is cheap, and the overall support is also top-notch. So this is our recommendation for you, whether you're a beginner or advanced user looking for the best overall shared hosting provider with great speed and performance. I believe A2 hosting is a very worthy option that we think you should consider. Also, if you're ready to make A2 hosting purchase, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more offers and review videos like this. Thanks for watching.